empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out.
All right, we have our house for the next 5 days. Oh, it's so cute. Got a little outside patio. We're gonna go upstairs. Little bed. Bathroom. My man over here. I love it. It's so adorable. There's this downstairs. I love it. All right, we are, I don't know if it's downtown or what, but we are here to go and eat. We're very hungry. We haven't eaten since like breakfast this morning at like 6 in the morning. And it's like so pretty here. All right, we have found a spot for lunch. I don't really know. Hopefully it's good. Sorry, I didn't show you the meat. I already ate it. But the meat was really good. We really liked it.
Chorizo asado, and she had the longanilla asada.
It was good. We enjoyed it. And we are excited to see the rest of the food that we're going to be having for the next 5 days. All right, so we are here in Guatemala, and we just got a Guatemala cannoli creme. I'm going to eat it all by myself. Oh God, my mouth doesn't fit. We just left our villa and we kind of just explored a little bit. We came across this. Very, very old. 1749.
In the year of 1749, this work was done in master's time. John of God. And maybe that's not a perfect translation, but obviously a few hundred years old.
All right, we are here for breakfast. Super exciting. We're both really hungry and they look absolutely amazing. I got some eggs, fried bananas, beans, fruit, coffee, our tortillas. Ryan got similar, but more meat than I did. It just, and look at this view. In case you can't see it from here, the volcano right here is exploding right now. Oh, so cool. We're at the ruins. So that's so cool. This is a place where they stored food here, according to the picture. And there's a possum that is dead. Skeleton.
It does feel a lot cooler in here than it does outside, so that would make sense. So this is the main dining hall. It's probably 80 degrees out, and it's probably a good 20 degrees cooler in here.
Feels nice in here.
With the breeze as well.
It smells really good over here.
Go in there.
I don't think I can. Watch out for my butt, guys.
I can barely
Oh, we
stand.
can go on the other side.
As you can see, 1,000-year-old Lowe's supplies, or Home Depot. Oh wow. Yeah.
Alright, we are on our way to the wedding, and I have heels on, and I'm really already struggling walking. This ground here are like just a bunch of big stones that are together, and we're about to try to walk down this huge hill. There it is. Here's the ground. It's like, you know, it's not together. There's like pieces and stuff. So we're about to see if I can make it. Ryan was helping me going up this hill, but I want to see if I can make it down the hill by myself. Oh god. Yep, there's rocks. Okay. How do people do this?
They
With
don't
heels
do-
on?
They don't wear heels.
Oh god.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season.
All right, we are here for our breakfast or brunch today. I don't really know what I got.
We got the Sunday brunch.
Sunday brunch. and it comes with a bunch of stuff that I didn't know, but I'll like everything. So we're really excited. We're on our Sunday, so we're leaving tomorrow, and we're just ready to enjoy our day. There he is, the man of the hour. All right, we have our orange juice and my coffee latte. That's good.
Caramel.
And it's hot. Woo. It's hot. Oh, it's very good though. Here is our breakfast slash brunch. Comes with everything. So here's our first. And then we split. Yes.
So you refried beans, potatoes, spinach, something or other.
Mm-hmm.
I think that one's a cheese. Maybe like potato salad?
Beef powder.
Tomatoes.
Bon appetit! So, we're eating all of our food, and all of a sudden she comes over with all this other food. And we're like, is this the same as the other stuff? Do they all go together? She's like, see. So I'm going to show you what we also just got.
Parfait, pancakes, fruit salad,
Yogurt, a bunch of pies. This is my day. Alright, just finished our brunch. It was delicious. Now we're coming out and it looks like there's like, what is it? We might have, what is this?
an outdoor market.
Like a market? So we're about to go in and see what they've got. That's cute.
I like Kathy's.
That's very good.
So we are off to an early dinner. It's our last day here. Not exactly sure what this place necessarily is. I know they have food here, but it also seems like it might be an art installation of some kind. So I guess we'll see what we get into.
We're here at our table, and our meal is about to be so good. This is what Ryan just got. I don't know if you guys can hear or see it. It's the beef tenderloin covered with spices, grilled in the Jospur with oysters. Maybe if he could read it, maybe that'd be better.
Beef tenderloin covered with spices, grilled in the Jospur, served with oyster mushrooms, green herb sauce, with baby capers and anchovies, roasted potatoes, and segments of rosemary and garlic.
That sounds amazing. Well, it's really bright. And then I'm having sea bass. I love sea bass. Like, one of my favorite things ever is sea bass, and they had it on the menu, so we're super excited.
We'll show you, it's not much of a view at the moment because it's very hazy, but hopefully we'll get to walk down somewhere and kind of show you the view. Hopefully it'll clear in a little bit.
Yes. Because we have the volcano, like, right here. It's just, I'll see if you guys can see it. If you guys can see it, maybe later. But, alright, our main course is here, and they look so good. This is my sea bass. This is Ryan's. This is the tenderloin. Oh, it looks so good. And then some potatoes. Bon appetit.
Wrapping our last night here up, and we figured we would do it with dessert. So here's mine. Here's what I got. Chocolate cake, vanilla ice cream.
And this is mine. Vanilla ice cream with fruit, and not sure what that is. Getting our walk in.
Why are you whispering?
I'm not sure. We're just doing a little bit of walking. How beautiful is this? And then there he is. So we are wrapping up our vacation right now. We had such an amazing time, and yeah, I think that's it. I love you guys so much, and we will talk to you guys later. Bye!